Hi guys, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show.
This is season 3, episode 1, and we're switching it up. What are we doing, Joe?
Yeah, like usual, every season's a little different. This season we get to do some photography, and we're gonna be doing all kinds of creative portraits.
Right, and Joe really loves photography, so I thought it would be a good idea to do that this season. I will link his Instagram pages down below, as well as our Instagram page where you can keep up with us, see some of the photos we're going to be posting this season, and also I'll be putting some of my writing that I like to do as well in the captions, so you guys can check all that stuff out.
The big idea is wherever you are, you should be able to do the things that we're doing. We want to do portraits that are easy, anybody can do. I'm doing it on my big camera, but you can use your phone or whatever camera that you have. The best camera is the camera that you have with you.
So you ready to take some shots this season?
I'm ready. All right, so we're in my mom's backyard. You can do this pretty much anywhere. What do we need for our props?
Find a tree, and then you put your mirror propped against the tree, a nice full-length mirror. Find a nice nature area and take your shot.
I think Charlene's already kind of set up. Got her sitting on a little piece of cardboard so she doesn't ruin her dress. And we stuck a couple dandelions in her hair.
Yeah, because this theme for this season is yellow. So if you'll notice, there's lots of yellow or
a little bit of yellow
in all of our shots. Ready to get going?
Yeah, my knees are burning. Looking good. I think we got a good shot here. We're gonna maybe drag this mirror around to another spot or two, just so we have a couple different looks. Let's move on to our next one.
So we're in the driveway, and I have a glass filled up with water, and I have some grapefruit inside. You can use any fruit, lemon, strawberries, whatever. And what I'm gonna be doing is throwing the water up in the air, and Joe is gonna capture the shot by doing some continuous shots.
Now turn that thing on rapid shutter and hopefully catch something. My guess is we're gonna have to do it a few times, so I got a big bucket of water over there. Let's give it a whirl. 3, 2, 1, go. 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 3, 2, 1. Charlene got a little wet and wild.
Yeah, it splashed all over me, but I think we got something.
We got something.
Yeah, so let's move on to the next shot.
Yeah, I think the thing I learned is take more than one shot.
Right.
So see you at the next location. All right, so we made our way over to Cedarburg, Wisconsin, because they have this cool covered bridge in the background here. But for this shot, we got some kiwis on the skewers. So we're gonna make these little kiwis
Wings.
into butterfly wings. I'm gonna leave my camera on the tripod. I'm gonna put it on a delayed timer so that I can use both my hands to get these wings in position. I think I got the shot that we were looking for. We turned Sharlene into a butterfly. So we're gonna move on to our next shot. There's a little bridge in the background I'm gonna try to use as just a backdrop, but it's gonna be a close-up with Sharlene having this confetti in her hand, and she's gonna blow it out of her hand. If she can't blow it, we'll just toss it up a little bit. But the idea is to get some of these stars to float in the air a little bit.
Right.
And then we got our broom handy to sweep them up before they blow away.
We'll see how that works.
Let's see how that works. All right, so let's get this one going. All right, I'm ready when you are.
Okay. Can you believe it, Joe?
What?
The show is over already.
Oh, the show's over?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the shots we took today. And this is a whole season, so stay tuned for all the other exciting stuff that we have planned.
Right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and check out our Instagram page. See ya.
See ya. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, you really, why you throw it at yourself?
Because you're too close. I was scared it was going to hit your camera.
There's something on your lip too. No, looks like a fry. French fry. So sometimes you gotta fix your model's appearance. I brought pretty much everything except for my battery charger. So we're on our last leg here.
The only way to leave your real footprint on the ground is to take off your shoes. The only way to truly share your soul is to take down your walls. Vulnerability is powerful.